Hello again from Product World. Today I'm going to show you how to manually sharpen a chainsaw blade. Today we're going to be using the Spear & Jackson 18-inch bar chainsaw. If you're lucky enough to have a vise on hand, then this would be very helpful for sharpening your blade. You first of all want to get the bar, so central area, in the vise, and you can bring this up nice and tight. A nice firm grip to keep it level. You will notice that some of the teeth are pointing towards us and some away from us. The teeth we want to sharpen first are the ones that are pointing towards us. And you'll notice there's an angle on the tooth. It's this angle that we want to be following, which is roughly about 30-degree angle. This is the tool here that we're going to be using to sharpen the blade. This came with the machine, but you can buy these quite easily on the internet or any local store that sells chainsaws. Before you start sharpening, you want to mark the first tooth, your starter tooth, with a marker pen or paint, whatever, and that's to let you know where you've started and you'll know where to finish. Okay, it's quite clearly marked there. Take your file and line the file up at the same angle the tooth is at, and just pass through this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I like to do 4, and you continue every second tooth, and again 4 passes. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you don't do the same amount of passes, then it means what will happen if you have maybe 2 or 7 and then maybe a 4, it'll start not cutting straight. So 1, 2, 3. Once you've got back to the one you started with, you can now turn the chainsaw around. This will allow you to sharpen the other teeth. Again, as before, mark your starter tooth. And you'll be able to do every second tooth again in the same way as you did it on the other side. 4 passes. Line it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and just move it on. 2, 3, 4. And that's you all the way around and back to your mark where you started. Well, that should be your blade all nicely sharpened, ready for its next bit of action. Thanks for watching, folks. Like and subscribe. Bye.